Hi, in the last few videos, we learned how to work this robot in a convenient way. Like now, I'm moving it forward, turning it left, and again I'm turning it right and moving it backward. So now I cannot say this is a robot. Why? Because it is working as I am controlling it. So robot is something which works all by itself as we command it to work. So now we will see a shortcut way to program a robot. So first we will go to my program, because my program block is the most important block, which will be containing all the information of our block. So after that, we will do some motions for our robot, like moving forward 1 and 2. So now I told my robot to move forward 2 steps, right? Now after that, we want it to turn left. And again we want it to move forward 2 steps. So let's see how it works. So when I click on start, it is moving forward 2 steps and it is turning left, and again it is moving forward 2 steps. So what if I want to move it 6 steps without using these blocks, like dragging these blocks again and again and placing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this? It is really boring, right? So for that we have a shortcut. So what we will do is we'll first remove these blocks. As we learnt in the last few videos that how to remove the blocks, we will drag it to a trash bin here in the bottom right of our main screen. Then we will leave. So now it has been deleted. So but we want we want a robot to move forward certain steps, for example 4 steps after turning left. Let's see if it is going 1, 2 left. Oh, it is not going forward 4 steps. So for that, what we will be doing is we will go to loops, because we want, as we learned, the first block is used to repeat some task several times. So now we want a robot to repeat it 4 times, right? Again we'll go to math and drag the first block here, and we will place it here. So after placing it here, we will enter the value, for example 4 steps, right? So let's see if it is working. 1, 2 left. Oh, why is it not working? So is there any mistake in our program? Yep, we do have it, because we didn't instruct the robot to move where to move. We just have told it to repeat it certain times, right? So for that, we will just drag move forward. So now what robot will do, it will move forward 2 steps, again it will turn left, and it will move forward 4 steps, because we have instructed it to move forward 4 steps. So let's see how it works. So for that, we'll reset the robot, then we will save. After saving our project successfully, we'll start 1, 2, turn left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as we saw, our robot moved forward 2 steps, and then it turned left, and again it moved forward 4 steps, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is how our loops will work, and this is a small shortcut to our robot. So now we know certain blocks and some shortcuts. In the coming few videos, we'll be learning more about these things and how to make a robot more advanced. So see you in the next video, Future Robot Builders.